friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make leaf shadow box wall decor that I saw on internet for a bunch of money, but I'm going to make it for just few dollars. I used the leaves that were around the house, but you can have any leaf from outside, from the forest. You can just pick up the leaves and start painting them. I'm using metallic finish gold color for this project because the sample on the internet was also metallic gold. So first I will spray paint on them, and then I will give them 2 coats for a good coverage. I'm using these frames from Dollar Tree. They are 8 by 10 and 4 by 6 inches. So first of all, I will take a A4 paper and fold them into half for the 4 by 6 inches of the frame. So I'm going to use scotch tape to attach the leaf to the paper and then put all the parts back together. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to support me. Thank you so much for watching.